The Prodigal Son, a modern tale of redemption.
Hey, I'm Jake, and, this is the story of how I royally messed up and found my way back home. See, I had it all. Loving family, nice house, the works. But man, I wanted more. I mean, don't get me wrong, my parents were great, but I felt stuck, you know? Like there was this whole world out there just waiting for me to conquer it. So one day I did something crazy. I asked my dad for my inheritance early. Like, who does that? Dad, I want my inheritance. Now. He didn't argue, didn't try to stop me, he just gave it to me. And just like that, I was out of there. Backpack on, dreams big, ready to take on the world. The city was everything I dreamed of. Lights, energy, endless possibilities. And the parties, man, they were wild. New friends every night, spending cash like there was no tomorrow. I felt invincible, you know? Like I'd finally found where I belonged. But here's the thing about living like there's no tomorrow. Eventually, tomorrow comes. And when the money ran out, so did the friends. Funny how that works, huh? Suddenly, the city didn't seem so glamorous anymore. More like cold, unforgiving. I tried to find work, but turns out professional partier isn't really in high demand. Next thing I knew, I was working on a pig farm. Yeah, you heard that right. A pig farm. Rock bottom? Oh yeah, I hit it. Hard. There were nights I'd look up at the stars wondering if my family ever thought about me, if they missed me, if they'd even want me back after what I'd done. That's when it hit me. What was I doing here when I could be home? So I made a decision. I'd go back, beg for forgiveness, ask to work as a servant if I had to. The walk back was the longest of my life. I practiced my apology speech 1,000,000 times. But then I saw him, my dad, and he was running towards me. I couldn't believe it. After everything I'd done, he was actually happy to see me. Before I could even say sorry, he hugged me, like really hugged me. Dad, I'm sorry,
Shh, you're home now, that's all that matters.
I started my speech, but he wasn't even listening. He was too busy calling for a celebration. Next thing I knew, there was a party. For me, the screw-up, new clothes, a family ring, the fatted calf, the whole 9 yards. I was confused, overwhelmed. Why wasn't he angry? Why didn't he demand an explanation? That's when I realized my dad's love, it never changed. I did. So yeah, that's my story. Pretty wild, huh? But here's the thing, God's love, it's just like my dad's. Always there, always ready. No matter how far we stray, no matter how badly we mess up, that love is constant. It's not about being perfect, it's about being willing to come back. So if you're out there feeling lost or ashamed, remember, it's never too late to come home. Trust me, the welcome you'll receive, it's worth every step of the journey back.